Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel. It's King H once again. Hope you're doing well. Hope your Monday starting off well. Everything is going well. Well, today I'm going to do the tail banding that I was talking about. We're going to start with that for the day. Then we'll see what the day holds. Well, enjoy. This is the guy who's going to be going through tail banding. I don't think he's ready, but we'll know shortly. It's peeing. So the tail, the tail is here. As you can see, I'm going to put the band here. Slightly scared, as you can see. I'm not ready for this, yeah. Don't worry, all will be fine, eh? Now we place him down. You can come closer so that you have a closer look.
Watashika mbili.
You hold.
No, shika kitu.
Yeah, which side?
Mbali namna hii. Alafu tunapanua. Sasa unapanua huku.
This side and this side.
Sasa panua. Alafu hii mkia tukishaingiza hapa ndio tunafunga. Panua tu nini?
Okay. There you go. All right.
Sasa panua.
All right. There.
Hapo achilia hapo.
All right.
Furuta waya tu. Acha. Moja. Furuta tu moja atoke.
Okay. You have to take up one wire first.
Alafu ingiza.
Now the next wire. All right. It's my first time banding, so I think we're successful. There you go. Bye-bye. Well, that was my first time banding, as you can see. I was learning too, but at least it's done, and we'll give it 7 to 10 days. We'll take a record of it and see how it goes. For now, as I said, we're waiting for what will take upon the day, as we're waiting to continue with the progress with the well, actually finishing it off. We'll take note of what is happening. As for now, I'll see you later. Let me get things in order.
Ohayo.
Okay. Moja ni fupi.
Furuta tu.
Sawa. Acha nichukulie angalia kama iko sawa.
Ohayo.
Second guy, we didn't know there was a second one. Here we go. The tail is about to be banded too. So say hello. Gonna hold him down again and put the band. The first one was slightly more scared as compared to this one. All right. Hold him down since this is quite strong. Sorry.
Gambare.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Second one in.
Huku utachini.
There we go. There. All right. Take out this. There we go. All right. Time to go back in. But you're coming out anyway just now. Well, I thought it was done. We had to continue this one. All right. We'll keep you updated. Once again, stay in the channel. Stay with King H. Thank you. In 7 or 10 days, the tail will fall off, and this is because we have to make sure that the sheep is hygienic. So it's a hygiene process that we have to keep doing. So we'll give 7 to 10 days. Today is the 23rd, so the 1st of March we'll see. 1st, 2nd of March we'll get to see whether the tail has fallen off. So we'll track both of them, and we're gonna give them names too. I don't have names, as I mentioned. If you have ideas of names, let me know. For now, see you later. We'll keep track now of the progress of the well. Right here in front of you is the mesh. We went and got this from the hardware store just now. So this mesh will go right on top of this part where the well is. Now this rods will be holding, as you can see, the rods here will be holding here, so to keep the mesh stable, to create stability here. As you can see, it's already finished to the top, so those wires will be holding as he has placed them there, and then the mesh will come on top. So actually, let us just show you. The mesh will come in here from here. Let me just collect it. Then we're going to put it right here as such. Then there'll be reinforcing, there'll be binding wire that will be used to hold this together with the mesh, so that will aid in that. And then we had gotten 2 bags of cement from the hardware store too, and what is called known as waterproofing. I don't know if we can get a packet of that, but yeah, yes, I found the packet. This waterproofing. This helps with the water, meaning to block water that is going out and the water coming in. So it will be placed around here, all around. So with that, we use the sand which is on that side to assist with that, to create the cement. And as you can see, these are bricks. Each brick normally goes for about 10 to 15 Kenya shillings, which in dollars will be about 12 cents. In pula will be around 1 pula 50 tebe. In rands will be about 2 rands. In yen will be around 20 yen. So if you're looking at each brick to be about that much. So we're still continuing. The mix was done here. Sorry, I placed this here. The cement will be mixed here. Then once it's done, we'll place around the cement and then make the final well, the final part of the well, sorry. And then you'll get to see how it's done and finished. So that's what is done. And then later on, as you can see, you'll still have to go down and remove some rubbles which are down for the water to come up. So we'll keep tab and process that and see how it goes. So I'll keep updating and see how it pans out. Hope everybody's doing well. Kinodi is down now. He's digging up whatever rubbles that are down so that the water rises to the top. So Moses is going to take in the bucket. As the bucket goes down, he's going to use there. The bucket is down. As you can see, soil is being added to the bucket. Then we're going to remove that soil and toss it onto the grass here. process. As you can see, Moses is holding on, waiting for it to be complete. So it's going to be in stages. As he continues filling it up, then we're gonna bring it back up shortly. Okay, there's a professional in this field. He's been doing it for 30 years now. It comes up now. Then you put it on the side there. Then goes back for another round until the rubble's all cleared out. As you can see, he's still digging up some down there. There you go. I'll show you how he scales back up. Didn't manage to get him going down, but I'll show you how he goes down. Comes back up, sorry. Now we're removing the dirty water so that the clean fresh water starts scaling up.
Yende.
Goes back inside. He's scaling back up now.
Nishike kando, nisiwe kamba kando. Mungu atanisimu. Jo, gani? Unasenda hivi, unasenda hivi.
Yep, that is your own skill. Not for me. By the time I try to even get to the top, I'll probably be back down again. And he's made it out. Okay, that's it. The last footing. There you go. He's made it out. What a task. And the last bit will come back up now as we collect and draw out the murky water. There you go. Now they'll mix up the cement. This is the top bit. The finishing touches are being done now. So the wood, which will be in place to give it the shape that it needs. The cement is over there. There we go. Quite a process. Then this stones here. I'm going to use one bucket of this. I'm going to put them. We're going to actually toss them down into the well. This is going to aid with cleaning the water, whatever murky water that's left down there. So it's sort of like a purifier of sorts. But then we'll add the normal purifier, which is like chlorine, which will aid in making the water more clear. So that's what will happen. Still in process there. Want to collect sand. There's sand over there, which will be used in mixing with the cement, which you collect over here. So I get some sand, add on to that, then he'll go back there to mix it up. And the rains have been favorable to us. We've managed to collect water in this tank here. There's a lot of water in here now. Yeah, you can hear that this is water. So it's collected at the moment, since it has been used, it's here right now. It's this point, because this is a 5,000 liter tank, and the more it rains, the more it collects. But it had reached the top, but now because we're collecting water to use for construction and all that. Progress so far, we've gotten to this level. This is not the final step, but it's just the process of how it's going to continue. We'll keep shaping it up because it's still in the process. So we'll get to know in the next hour or so how it pans out. So this is the level that it's in right now. You can see, still laying the foundation of it. Then get to see the final concept. So far so good. We'll keep updating as we go. This is how far it has come so far. This is it. Doing the finishing touches. I actually just got back from the welder. I forgot to carry my camera going, but this is what I went to get. This is the lid that will go to the top. Afterwards, placing it down, we'll paint it, make it look much better. This is just not the final touches, but just finishing it off. Then after, do the final touches when it's all dried up and everything. Then do the final steps, which will still show you afterwards. So this is it. It's going inside. These guys have come here to witness what's happening. So that will be placed there. Once it's placed down, we'll wait for it to dry. Once it's dry, we'll paint. That's it from me today. And once again, live this life. I've had such a long day. I'm going to rest now. Actually going to release the dogs so that they can run around for a bit, then take time and relax. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for the likes, shares and the subscription. Hope to get to 100, and we'll keep pushing. Thank you so much. Adios from me.